Let's get in.
Yeah, so we successfully made the layout, right? The header navigation at the top, the footer at the bottom, and we started working on the initial design. So let me show you how it looks like. This is the Figma. So let me share with you guys the link so you can check it out. There we go. So we are rebuilding my personal website. I got the design for it. I got the mental, plan on how things should go, but we have no hard plan. So that's the beauty of it, right? What we did last time is, we finished these things. We finished the hero, but before we actually started streaming, we noticed that on iPhone 5, things look a little crooked. So let me show you. The padding here is not correct, and also this thing right here is way too much, squeezed right to the edge. So we started to dig around. Let me zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see. We started to dig around, and we noticed this. Do you guys notice this? The blue selection on the left is actually the whole page, and that is 320 pixels in width, right? And that's exactly how wide the iPhone 5 is, 320, right? But our website seems a bit wider, and that's why the content looks a bit, looks a little bit, it looks not right. For example, the image is not really centered. There's like a less space here than here, etc. So as we dig through it, we noticed that, for example, if we go here and grab this part, the actual text that's in the hero, and we delete it, and then we hover on the next ID, now we can see that the blue selection or the blue highlight is, it spans the whole screen. So this is how the layout should look like, right? Not like before. But we were pretty tired, so we didn't notice that. But we're here to fix it. There are some stuff left to do. For example, as you can see, this chakra stack, there is padding on the left, but there's none on the right. So we'll try to, first we'll try to identify which parts are causing this issue by deleting them, and then we'll try to fix it. But what we know is that the text, there we go. Now we have scroll, right? We know that the text causes some major issues, and we need to fix that. So let's try to play around with it and see what the exact issue is. I think we should jump in the code immediately and see what we have, right? So this is the index page here. And if we go to the app file, we can see that we have our layout here, and the layout will be, hey, Boki Smokey, thank you for the follow.
Thank you. So
we have the container here, right? We have the max width, we have everything, but do we have like a center content? All right, let's first add this and see what happens. Now the content is centered, and that's what we're after, right? But probably this stack still makes some issues, right? So that would be this guy right here. If we try to remove it, of course nothing. There's nothing on the page yet. Let's dig a little bit. There we go. So we center the content, right? And here's the stack that didn't actually, didn't take the padding into consideration. We added the center content, and now we can see there's a little bit of space on both sides, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. So, okay, so we fixed that, right? But there's still issues regarding the text. So maybe because these are the children. Maybe we should do width equals full, so that we set the width of the total page. There we go. Okay, so nice.
Now it's good.
Nice. Yeah. So we're basically constraining this stack, right? So the width is 100% and nothing more, right? Everything else either can be cut off, or if it's configured that way, it'll be responsive. Maybe the text will go down, but yeah, we need to reach to that point, right? So we're still digging inside. We got the box here, and the children is actually the page, right? This part right here, not the header, because the header is here, and the header is legit, so we don't need to we don't need to worry about it. This box right here, let's set the width to full to this box as well and see the changes. No changes. But here's the width, right?
Yeah.
We can see that the text at the bottom is bleeding right through it. We still have a bit more digging to do, but we are done with the layout. The next element is this V-stack. Let's also do full on this V-stack and see what happens. There we go, box and the stack.
Fixed.
And now this, the next stack is also needs fixing, and this is this guy right here. So let's do width equals full. Go back. There we go. And then there's the chakra stack and the aspect ratio component. The aspect ratio is cool because it doesn't take up much width, but then the stack, right? I guess this is the stack, and this is the aspect ratio, the hero image basically. So let's see. Let's do width equals full on this thing as well.
That should fix it. Yeah.
Okay. We are getting there.
Yeah.
This is the issue, I think, the last issue. So we got the heading, we got the hero play. Okay, that's cool as well. Maybe we'll do something about it because I don't like it being here.
Yeah.
And here's the text, and then here's the stack,
Which
with the buttons, right?
Yeah.
So instead of horizontal stack, let's try to use an ordinary stack, right? We'll set the direction when it's mobile, so from 0 until X. We are going to do column,
Yeah.
and from MD and then up we'll do row.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, there we go. Right, we can see the page is, the responsiveness is fixed. It shouldn't make any change on desktop. There we go. We just made some changes on mobile. Nice. Now let's also do some changes on the play button. What do you think we should do with the play button?
Maybe so on mobile the text gets cut off basically. I mean it's not cut off, but it's on the new line. Maybe I would get it closer to that text, and maybe a little bit bigger. I'm not sure though. Like maybe in the design you envisioned a smaller button, but maybe it's smarter. I would do it a little bit bigger, but depends.
Yeah, it's like 24, and I think by the rules of mobile design, we need to provide at least 44 pixels. So this thing, it needs to double at least, right?
Yeah,
So
definitely.
that makes sense. What about changing the direction? So it's not row, it's actually column.
So you want it, actually that looks much better.
And then also do the alignment, the justification, justify content. We'll set it to center. And set the width to 100%. There we go. So
nice.
We got the name, and then we got the play button at the bottom. So let's do that. Right? This is the stack that we're
exactly
after. So again, instead of horizontal stack, we'll do base is going to be a column. So we want to do one on top of the other, and then from MD and up,
we
want to do row. There's something else missing too. There's the justification. I mean, width is always full. We'll place it at the top, and then we'll do justify content. right? And that's going to be responsive as well. So on base, right, we want to be center, but on medium and up, that means on larger tablets and desktop and laptops and everything, we should do flex start, I think. Let's do a reload and see what happens. Yeah, so the texts, this heading right here is still on the left. That didn't center, but we got the, yeah, we got the width right and the justification. If we go back, nothing happens here except the button is a bit off now.
Yeah, it's not aligned.
So we'll do alignment, align items.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's just mark it as center. I mean, it's center here,
and it's
and it's centered here. Hey, and also this thing got fixed. So awesome. We are good here. Let's also make the hero play a bit bigger. And while we're here, we're going to actually continue working on the actual on the actual
audio,
stop and play. All right, so size, where are we? We got 6 for the width and height. Let's bring this down so we can see it better. Right, so 6 is okay, maybe on desktop. Maybe we'll just make it 8, just to, I don't know, make it bigger. But on mobile, we said we should at least double it, right?
So
pretty much double it, right? So
yeah.
Let's convert this to maybe 12, right? Because
yeah, I think 12 is
times 4 is 48. We're looking for 44 plus. 12 makes sense, but on MD, instead of 6, we'll do it 8. And we'll just see how it looks like. All right, there we go. So
yeah.
A bit bigger. The height of the stack doesn't take that into consideration, right? This button, because the size is extra small, right? We should probably do it medium, and it'll push it down. Yeah, medium is also not okay. So we'll do large. What if we don't do the size at all? What if it makes its own? Nope, it's actually medium by nature. Yeah. All right, so this is the button, and we can see that the height is okay. Nice. All right, this works on mobile, right?
What about this? The social links? Do you want to?
Yeah, they look a bit odd because there's like a space here, right? And they're also centered because of the text. Maybe we'll do, I don't know, maybe we'll change the alignment. Hey Ilya, how's it going, buddy?
Hey, how are you doing?
So maybe we'll change the alignment to be on the left instead of center, right? Let's do align items.
Yeah, let's do.
Oh, sorry, not alignment, but justification. Yeah. Flex start. And we want to do this on every button. So let's see if it does make sense. Yeah, it does. And the only thing that we probably should take care of is actually on mobile, get rid of the horizontal padding, right? So let's attack that. These are the social links. There we go. So PX we'll do 0, and then on medium what's this is 16.
60.
That's like 4.
4, yeah.
And what else do we do? Justify content.
Flex.
So we'll do
base flex start.
Flex start on base and center on. There we go. All right, so these are the links. Nicely done, nicely done. Dark mode, everything is visible. Nice, awesome. Thanks, Mart.
So
right.
Yeah.
So let's get on with the button, right? So we'll enter the hero play, and we'll just focus on this guy at the moment. We got the pause icon, but I think we should do stop, right? So we'll do react icons, and we'll do stop. This was hero icons. So high stop. Okay, so just straightforward. And in order to do the actual audio, we are going to use the React use package. So what this package is, it provides you a lot of reusable hooks for you, right? So instead of building the logic from scratch, you got the functionality done. And we have the use audio hook here that plays audio and exposes its controls. And I think that's what we're after. I haven't tried this, but I think we need to use this.
Yeah, this is a sick library. It has a lot of functionality.
Exactly. Right, so play, pause, mute, unmute, volume, scrubbing as well. Awesome. So let's get started with this. We are going to yarn add React use. So we can install the package and then we'll import the use audio from React use. There's the use audio. Yeah.
Exactly.
There we go, const. We want to use it here. So this takes a source, right? And an autoplay. We'll do false unless we set it to that jokes. Unless we set it to, you know, to the actual button. So this pronunciation.mp3 lives in the public, and as we discussed earlier in the first episode, the public folder in Next.js is automatically being served as static, right? So if we want to access the pronunciation, we want to do localhost 3000 /assets /pronunciation.mp3. No, it's not pronunciation.
The server is...
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah. What am I doing? Yeah, let's do yarn dev. Let me just make sure that the name is correct because we messed it up one too many times.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so if we can access it like this, then we can grab this URL, and probably it should work like this. We probably don't need to append.
Yeah, there we go.
Nice, that's what we're after. So this is our MP3. It's not going to do any autoplay stuff, right? It gives us the audio, and this is the audio here. So we'll just add the audio. I think that's the audio tag, which is not visible by default, but we'll see. Let's reload. Okay, right?
Yeah.
No audio, no additional UI elements, but we got the audio here. Let's check out the console. Maybe it logs some errors. Nope, beautiful. All right, so we got the source, we got everything. Now, controls, the controls object contains the pause, play, and the seek, and that's what we're after. So let's create ourselves some utility functions, right? So we'll do play, right? And that would be controls.play.
Exactly.
We want to do stop, and since there is no stop in the controls object, we want to do controls.pause and then controls.seek, and we'll set it to 0.
So
right, so pause it.
We're basically simulating a stop.
Exactly, yeah. So we got these two, and these are just enough. And now we got the state. This thing also has a reference, which also doesn't use it, so I guess we should ditch it. And the state is actually an HTML media state. Let's try to find it. State. HTML media state. There we go. This is the state, right? So it has duration, if it's paused or not, if it's muted or not, and if it's playing or not. So we'll use the state.playing variable to figure out the toggle. Let's also make a new function. That will be toggle. And we'll do if state.playing, right? Then we'll call stop. else we'll call play. And we can set the on click to this method right here. Reload. I'm going to pause the music, crank up the volume, and let's see. It's pronounced Lazar Nikolov, not Lazar or Laser. Beautiful. All right. So what we need to do next, for example, is the icon, right? So
yeah.
if state.playing, then
Yeah,
we'll do
just
high
use the
stop, otherwise high play. And let's check it out now. It's pronounced Lazar.
That's it.
It's pronounced Lazar. Beautiful. All right. Pack it and sell it. Let's also bring back the music. Go. And we are done with the button. Nicely done. It's pronounced Lazar Nikolov. Awesome. All right. So what's next on our list? First, we want to do some push. Fixed responsiveness plus made audio work. Beautiful. Okay, so we're done with this. Let's go back to the Figma design. We got the courses section here. These are all going to be, I plan on doing a Jamstack site, right? So use as less backend as possible, right? Everything should be here in the repo. No database. I mean, there will be a database for certain things, but not for everything. Yeah, that would be the last resort. If we can't achieve it, then we'll put it in a database. For example, the blog post views, right? And I also have a book suggestion form here. I should be able to read them from somewhere, right? Or even send an email. I don't know. We could probably keep it in the database. Maybe that would be like an overkill. Maybe I should just send myself an email. Hey, you got a new book suggestion.
Yeah, and just add it into the data or
Exactly.
the JSON in this case.
Well, not really. In that case, I need to add it to the JSON and do a git push.
Yeah,
in
yeah,
order
yeah.
to do so. I think it's not going to be
Yeah, it's
easy
not
to
productive. Yeah.
because then I'll have to ship git with my website, right? Because I don't know, I don't think Vercel does, it gives you the git instance. Plus it'll be hosted on CDN, right? So we'll just do maybe an email or something. Hey, we can use Airtable. Dude, that would be so cool. Yeah, we can use Airtable. They have an API we can use. We'll make a table with all of the suggestions, and as the people use them, they'll just get appended to the table. So that
That's gonna be awesome.
New ideas, guys. New ideas. Yeah. So let's continue. Right. We got the courses, and this is a section. All of the sections are 80 pixels. There's like 80 pixels between them, right? But we already took care of that, if I remember correctly. We have a vertical stack that has a spacing of 20. 20 times 4 is 80.
Yep.
So this is the hero section, right? And if we add a little heading here and do courses, let's check out the configuration. So this is the MD, right? We'll do size equals MD. And if we go back, we should see it somewhere here, I guess. There we go. Yeah. And by default, it should have like 80 pixels of margin. Nice. All right.
That's good. So
awesome. So this heading right here is on the center, right? This tag right here, I needed to set the width to full, otherwise it broke the layout. In order not to repeat ourselves, maybe we could do justify content to stretch, and this should come here, and it didn't. All right, because it's not a stack, right? probably. I'm just guessing. So it's always going to be vertical. Let's also add the heading here. Nope, it's not really stretching the items. Maybe it's the alignment that we need to stretch. I don't know. I always align items. No, all right, yeah. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So we'll just get back the width in this case. So width equals full, and we'll continue on the courses here. And again, yeah, width equals full. So the way we want to do this is, I think the best way, and I guess the standard way, is to have a JSON file that contains this info. So the title, the description, and the actual link right here. I think that would be the easiest way. So what happens, we'll build it, we'll compile this at build time, right? We'll make the list. So it should find that JSON file, read it, parse it, and for each course create a little object for us, right? And pass all of those objects as props in our page, and we'll just map them out,
yeah,
and fill the lists.
Yeah, it's basically like working with mock data in a way, but this is actual data, so we don't have any fetching. Yeah,
we're just shipping the data with the repo, right? Not with from an API endpoint, right? Because that's not the point. This is that's the Jamstack thing.
Exactly.
Nice. All right, so let's start digging. Here's the stack. We want to do tuning out, guys. Catch you in the VOD. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, man.
See you later.
So, VStack, right? Was it justify?
Yeah, it was.
Flex start.
Or maybe it wasn't.
Maybe it wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't. So it's the align items. God damn, I always mess this up. There we go. So we're here, yeah. And in here, we want to fetch the courses and make a list out of them, right?
Exactly.
So where do we want to keep that? We got the source folder here. Maybe we should do data folder in this case.
Exactly. So,
and we'll do courses.json. Right, pretty straightforward.
Yeah, so now we need to figure out the formatting of the JSON, which is going to be an array of objects.
So courses, an array, and this array will have a title, right? Oh, sorry. A title, a URL, URL, and the description, I guess.
Yeah, that will be it.
Because there's nothing else. If we can see the design, title, URL. The URL will be the whole, right? URL?
Yes.
But we'll only show the domain in this case, right?
Okay.
And that will be it. So let's check it out. Build a modern user interface with Chakra UI.
Which is a sick course you guys should check out.
Yeah, you guys really need to check it out.
Oh, yeah, the formatting.
Yeah. There we go. And the URL. Let's try to find it. So egghead. We'll do Chakra UI. And there's a new illustration.
Oh, that's really nice.
I haven't seen this, by the way.
Oh, that's really clean.
This is sick. Yeah.
Nice.
Wow, I'm going to brag about this. Beautiful.
Live on stream reaction.
Awesome. All right, so this is the URL, and we're done, right? So what we need to do is go back to the index page, and if you guys know Next.js, you know that you can do some data fetching. There are some data fetching methods, like we can do client side, just like a standard API requests. We can do server side. So that would fetch the data that you define on every request. So every time I hit refresh, it'll call that data, maybe go into the database or read the JSON file or everything. But in this case, we don't have any, dynamic data. So we should probably stick with static site, right? So what we want to do now is import from next. We want to do, there we go, get static props.
Exactly.
This is the type, right? And in here, we want to define our props, the props type, and also do, let's see, we got the types. There we go. We'll do a course.ts, right? So export type course. It will have a title, and that would be a string. It'll have a description, and that would be a string, and a URL, which is also a string.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So the props of the index page will have the courses, and that would be a course
with
an array.
Yes.
Beautiful. So let's just get them here. Courses, and now also to actually fetch them. So export const get static props, which will be of the type that we just imported. Get static props, and this is a generic type, so we can do props, right? And that's an arrow function that gets the context. Maybe it gets the, maybe not. We don't need it in any case.
We don't.
Yeah, and it throws an error. It says void is not assignable to type get static props result of type props. So what we need to do is do res result that will be of the props type, right? And do return result, and that error is going to
get fixed.
Oh, sorry, it needs to be async.
Oh yeah. Okay.
What else? Props is missing in the following properties. Props is missing in the oh, sorry, yeah. Instead of just result, I need to do props and then result. What if we just name this props instead?
So it's it's a shorthand.
There we go. So this error is gone. This error is gone. And now the props are complaining because there are no courses, and it's mandatory. So let's try to get the courses, right? What we need to do is go to the root of the project, get into the data, and read out the courses JSON file. So we'll do that by using the fs package, right? The file system. I think we should just import everything as fs from fs. And let's see. I haven't done this in a long time, but we'll figure it out together.
Yes. So
let's see. I don't know. X equals fs dot append file, close, create read stream, create write stream, exist sync, fsync. Yeah, there was like an async version of the fs, I think. Let me see. Let's see.
Let's see the documentation.
Async. With async await, because that's what we are after. Fs is imported, and you can just await it. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So we can do, let's see, courses. Or maybe not immediately, but yeah, basically this reads the directory we want to open. Courses content, we'll say. Await fs dot read file, right? Encoding and flag, and the path is here.
Yeah, it should be read file because
read file, and we'll do the path, right? So what if we, and the encoding should be UTF-8, I think. Oh no, the options are there. Encoding is UTF with a dash or not?
Still complaining.
It's still complaining, but I think it's encoding is a string, so there you have a string. Or maybe it's without a dash, I don't know. Yeah, we'll check it out later. But basically, it's better to actually Google it, or Brave it in our case. Alright, so this does binary. There's a, oh, okay. There's like a promisify that maybe, yeah, convert read file into a promise version of the same. That is nice.
Yeah, that's...
And I guess this is also built in, right? So let's try that. Import everything as util from the util package.
Gotta love Node.js.
Yeah. So we'll do util.promisify, and then there's the read file. Let's get rid of this. It still asks for something. So it's either the callback or the options. So we were after the options, and there's the encoding and flag. Oh.
No.
All right, let's see. Read file JSON. JSON. Okay, so the file name and then the second argument without the actual.
It's just UTF without the dash.
Yeah. UTF-8.
Yep.
It claims that this should work. Or maybe this is like the wrong answer that we're trying to say. Alright, so it's like, maybe it's like this. Promisify, read file, and then append the actual arguments here.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. So yeah, we got it back. All right. So this is the file path, right? And we can do the root. We can find the root. How was the root, man? It was like
file. Oh no, their name.
Their name. Yeah. Maybe we can console log this.
Yeah, do it. I think it's all lowercase.
Yeah, their name.
Yeah, something like this.
Props, I don't know, courses, we'll just make it an empty array.
Okay, nice.
Okay, so completed successfully. Let's do a reload. And of course there is no such directory. And we're here, right?
Yeah, okay.
Next server pages, right? But we are in the .next because we are in development mode, right? So we wanna do the, we just want to get out of the pages and get in the data, right? So if we're in the pages directory, let's see now, Next.js, read file. Data fetching, files can be read directly. Okay, that's cool. Files can be read directly from the file system in get static props. That's what we are doing. Path, okay, so process.cwd and then append the posts. Nice. All right, so we want to do that, right? We want to do, I also need to import the path. Dude, check it out.
Yeah.
Right, so promises as fs. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We'll do both of these.
Okay.
We're not going to do the promisify, we'll just do read file. Like so. Okay, so we want to do path.join, right? Process.cwd and then data/courses.json, right? And this is our JSON path.
Just put it in a constant, so yeah.
And we want to read this. All right, let's see what we get now. We should see, there we go. So personal website, data courses, beautiful. The path is correct. Now we have the content, right? We want to parse this thing right now. So we want to do courses equals json.parse the courses content, right? And we want to pass them as, not really as, right? Because let's see this as an anonymous object that will have a courses like this. And let's import them. No.
We skipped a step. We just went to WebGL.
Cannot find courses. Try harder. Import courses from types. Course. Courses, of course, it's just course, not courses.
Yeah.
All right, so the courses have dot courses in there, so we'll just do course data, and we'll do courses dot courses data dot courses.
Courses, yeah.
Nice.
Should. Yeah.
And instead, we can just do courses and get rid of this. So we should be clean now, right? There we have our courses. Let's open this up and log them out. Or we can just do right here. So index.tsx.
Just put a breakpoint.
Snap a breakpoint here, and we should see the courses. The course. There we go, guys.
Very
in
nice.
This course, we will learn yada yada yada. All right, nice. We got the courses in the client side now. And now let's make a component out of it, right? So we'll do course. Index.tsx export const, or just course, but in this case the type is also called course and the component.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be.
So we'll do course what? Course card maybe?
Yeah, course card.
So we can be cheesy.
Either way, because there's gonna be some TypeScript errors if we call it.
Yeah, we'll have to do aliases.
Yeah.
Right. So props. We'll have a course. There we go.
Which is a singular course.
Yes. There's the course. And what if we do this? What if we make the props the actual course instead of giving it like a course? So we'll do title, description, URL, and then we can spread them in the map.
Yeah, this is actually pretty smart.
Nice. So
let's just do it like that.
Yeah, let's try to build this blindly.
Yeah, so this has like.
Yeah, so this is a vertical stack, right?
Yep.
There's the course, and it's a vertical stack. We got the text here and the header here. So we'll do vstack from Chakra UI.
And are you gonna use the spacer or just? What is your preferred way for the URL and the title, or just?
I just justify them, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's change this to React. We got the vstack here.
Yeah.
The padding. The padding is 16, so we'll do 4. The spacing is 12, so we'll do spacing equals 3. And the background is gray 100s, but for light mode, right?
Yeah. So let's
make that cool thingy that I learned from Aaron.
The cool trick.
Yeah. So import from. Oh, actually, what am I importing? We already got that. Use color mode value as mode.
Yep.
So we'll do background,
which is a mode,
and we will do gray 100 for light, and maybe I don't know, maybe gray 700. We'll see how it looks like later on. But for now, for now it does make sense. Okay, we got the padding, we got the spacing, and the background. So we can start doing this thing right here. But this will be a vertical stack on mobile, right? So we'll just do stack because we want to change it. Import stack. While we're here, let's also import the heading and the texts and the link.
Link, exactly.
And link overlay, right? The link overlay is like super cool component. You guys will see it now. So stack, right? So direction We'll do column on mobile and row on desktop. We'll do justify content. Base would be flex start. MD would be space between, right? So flex start, because we're going to change the direction, that means the justification is not really horizontal, but it's vertical now.
Yeah, so we want to align
so
everything.
We want to do on the left. Beautiful. And let's also do the alignment here, and the alignment will be the opposite, right? So align items. Base would be, we'll always, base would be center.
I think it's...
No, flex start, I guess. And MD is center. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. So in this stack, we have the heading, which will be the title. And this is Poppins of 16. I didn't change this. Why didn't I change this? So we're looking for 16 pixels. There we go. And it is semi-bold. So 16 pixels fonts, semi-bold. And it's not really that, so component, this guy right here, right? So small, size will be small, and weight will be semi-bold. There's the title, and we want to do the link now, right?
So
let's remind ourselves. I mean, wait a minute. We got the stack. After the stack, we got the text. So we'll just do description here. The text has a gray 700, but we already done that. And the size will be small. Okay, so let's try to show them just to see what we're working with. Courses.map. We'll have a course. So for each course, we'll render a course card, right? We'll spread the whole course, and we'll do the key. The key will be course dot maybe URL.
URL, yeah.
It's definitely going to be. Sorry, link exists, but it should be here. Oh, okay, cool. So let's see, guys. Not bad.
Nice.
We forgot the rounded corners.
Oh yeah.
And also the alignment, right?
Yeah, it's not right.
So corners are 6 pixels. So if we go to the Chakra website, default theme, wow, it's lagging. Chakra website default theme, we want to do border radius 6 divided by 16 is 0.38. That's something like this, 0.375, but let's do 16 times 0.375. That would be 6. Okay, and we actually got 6.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what happened there, but yeah, we want to do MD.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So course cards, rounded MD. Beautiful. The alignment, we should fix the alignment now. There we go. Oh god damn it. Alright, so align items, flex start. Nice. Let's check it out. So this is a 16 pixel font, this is a 14 pixel font. This doesn't really look like that. Poppins 16, Inter 16, right? So not really, because the text doesn't really reflect the same size here. So we'll do font size equals small, and let's check it out now. 14 pixels.
There we go.
Nice. And now let's do the link. We want to do the link overlay thing. So what this actually does, there's a link box and link overlay. Yeah, we forgot to import the link box.
Yeah, I was gonna say
box.
Link box.
So imagine a card like this, right? If you click anywhere on it, it'll take you to the predefined link, right? So the whole card will be a link box. and some element inside, it doesn't really matter which it is, for example the title in this case, is going to be the link overlay with the href, right? So this will hold the link, but everything will be wrapped with the link box. So let's just do that.
So no matter where you click it, it just takes you there.
Exactly. So do you want to go crazy and change the VStack into a link box?
Let's try it.
So we'll do a link box instead of a
Yeah.
VStack,
Change
but
it
we'll
to
render it
flex.
as
as
VStack. Nice. All right. So everything else is pretty much okay there. Maybe article would make sense, dude. We want to use that.
Yeah.
So let's just get back the VStack and we'll wrap the VStack with the link box.
The accessibility is crazy in Chakra UI.
Yeah. So article. Nice. We'll do articles for the blog post as well. Yeah. Link box as article. And then we got the title. And there's a heading. We should probably do link overlay, right?
Yeah.
Link overlay.
The URL there.
Did I import it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Okay. Maybe we can do the as heading here. Transfer these props here so we don't need the actual heading component. And we'll do the href. We'll set it to URL.
Yeah.
We'll do the target
As blank.
as blank. So let's see what this does. It does basically nothing.
Yeah.
I think we messed it up. All right, let's see. Article class Chakra link box. And then there's h2. Yeah, that's not cool. So link overlay. We should probably not do the S.
That's
like
heading.
here,
Yeah. Maybe we
So
should.
let's get back the
Let's
get the heading back, because it's not going to render a link, and that makes total sense, right? So we'll get these two, place it here.
Thanks for the follow, Russian.
Rashan, thank you. There we go, guys.
Yeah, it works now.
So we defined the title as the link overlay, right? There's the URL, there's the target, right? That's basically the link. But in theory, yeah, this is the link, right? But the whole article is actually the link box. So even if I click here on the edge, it should take us to the course.
Yep. It looks so beautiful.
I love this.
Yeah, I love it.
Look at it. God. These guys
That
are
should be
super
the new
cool.
Chakra UI logo.
Love it, love it. All right, so yeah, we got this. The only thing is the actual egghead link here. And yeah,
Yep.
let's try to how to add initial chakra classes, chakra container, etc. Yeah, so check this out. We'll go into the app. You see this link layout right here? If you open this layout, you'll see a container component that's actually imported from Chakra, right? This will actually render the div for you and add the class Chakra container to it. So there you have it, your page container, right? So that's how Chakra works. It gives you the components that you want, right? The container, the box, the vertical stack, the horizontal stack, the buttons, the inputs, the form control. How to add Chakra container class, just like that, yeah. You don't need to add it, the container component will add it for you. That's your question, right? For the container component. All right, so let me know, but we'll continue here. So we want to do this thing right here, right?
Yeah,
so we
the
got the
URL.
URL. We are only interested in the actual domain, right?
Domain, yeah. So do you want to put that in the object, or how do you want to do it?
I don't know. Maybe we can try. Let's try this. I'm going to copy the
Oh, yeah.
URL,
I know what you want to do.
and I
Yes.
want to do just to see if it works. URL. Oh, but yeah, the search parameters are actually just the parameters here, right? We're not going to get the, what is it? Get all. If we do get all name, yeah. If we do, but there's also no params here. Yeah. All right. So when I inspect, I usually have only CSS, blah 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 for divs. I don't see Chakra stack, Chakra con. Yeah, you probably don't use the components, right? So you need to use the vstack to have the stack, right? And the container component to have the container component. That little class that you see, for example, 1SADQQEQ, that's actually a made-up class, which is a collection of these props. The ones that you define on top of the vstack component. So vstack comes with its own Chakra stack class, but when you append p4 and spacing, these props get converted. Yeah, they get converted into CSS properties. They get put in a single class, and that class is the one that you see, the weird looking one, the 1SADQQEQ, right?
Yeah. Make sure you check your imports and
Yeah.
see if you're using the right component.
Awesome. All right. So we got the URL, but maybe we should use regex.
Yeah, I think.
Not sure if it's going to be an overkill, but we should try. So we want to grab this thing right here, right? So we know that it's going to start with HTTPS, right? Then we know that we'll have. I need to escape this. We know that we'll have an X amount of characters, and then we know that we want to have a slash. And we're talking about the first slash. Or maybe we want to do the dot. Because we don't actually want this. Or wait a minute. We could probably use just plain JavaScript and just split these things.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just go with JavaScript.
Let's try that. So we want to split this string by the slash, right? Where the first one is the protocol.
Yeah.
The second one is the empty because we have two slashes here.
Yeah.
The third one is the actual domain.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So course domain will be url.split.
But I just want to say regex is just an amazing tool. I guess it's not even a tool. To just modify strings or anything in between.
It's a state of mind.
Yep.
So,
exactly.
Course domain is here. We have the link component, right? The external link that actually appends.
Yep. So
maybe we could reuse it, but we don't wanna. Oh, wait a minute. I know what we're going to do. We're going to set the link overlay to the actual button, right? So we'll do external link.
Yeah. We'll
add the
course
domain inside.
I think that's it.
Does this pass the href? No. I don't know. Let's see. All right, there we go. Yeah. Nice, dude. And we just want to
fix the
justification. So let's see. It works like this. Beautiful. So there's the link, there's this, and there's this. All right, I know what it is. With full,
yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
Awesome. Right. So we got. But what's the actual size? What am I doing here? What's the actual size of it? Is text small? All right. So.
Oh yeah. Let's.
Okay. That makes it a little tougher here because. Alright, okay. It's children, right? So we'll just wrap this with the text. So text, right? Font size
small. Oh yeah, but
It's not good. It's 16 pixels. It's
14. Yeah.
14 in this case, right? So what do we want to do? No, wait a minute. The external link. It has the color here based on the mode. So maybe we should do color inherits to actually take that into account. Okay, right?
And you need the underline if you want to do that, or
No, there is no underline.
okay then.
Okay, let's just see how this looks like, if it's aligned properly, or my eye is lying to me. It is aligned properly,
Okay then.
and then we're done.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. But what about?
All right, so we got the stack here.
Is the padding from the actual card and the title right? Yeah.
Good eye.
And plus, what happens when you have two courses?
This is 16 pixels, but if we duplicate this course, we'll have 24 between them, right? So title 16. Where's the title? Here's the title, right?
Yep.
No, that is not. The
No,
title.
that's yeah, that's the.
Here's the
there
title,
we go.
right? Between the title and the courses lists,
There's
we got 16.
so
But between the courses, we got 24.
so
So we should use a list.
yeah.
We'll do the spacing here to before to actually make the courses and the heading
Yeah.
16, but we can do the list here. Lists. There we go. We just need to import it and list item as well. And this is just UL and LI.
Yeah. Exactly.
So we want to grab the key, wrap this in a list item, pass the key, and be done with it. But the list will have a spacing of 24 pixels, right?
Exactly.
So let's check it out.
So maybe you should just add.
Add
Yeah.
a new course. All right, so I'm going to be back. I'm going to record a new course. Let's see. It will complain about the key, but we just want to see the spacing. Come on, computer. Okay, so margin top 16, beautiful. Margin top 24.
That's all.
I love it when it works. I hate it when it doesn't. And we got the courses section done, right? So what's next? What is next, you guys? The recent blog posts, right? What am I doing with the blogs? Should we like isolate these? Like this should be the header and this should be the courses lists, the courses section.
Yeah, I would actually isolate them because there is a lot of different data rendering.
Yeah.
Maybe
I mean,
it's
also look at the lines. Like we got 130
yeah.
and we got only 2 sections. So good call. So let's do the, I don't know, hero. Let's call it hero. Index.tsx. Hero. Return. And the hero will be this part here.
Yeah, when we did it last time, it seemed like a good idea to put the hero in the index, but now we have a lot more components.
Right, so vstack,
Heading, hero play.
texts,
Oh yeah, it's not from Chakra. Yeah.
button. That's it.
Yep.
We want to do hero play.
Actually, you're missing icon as well.
Icon, yeah, definitely. External link. Icon. We want to do the social links. These things right here as well.
Yep.
Hero image. Okay, so this will definitely clean it up. So hero. Come on.
Just hero, yeah.
Come on, hero. We don't need this anymore. these things as well. We need this thing, so we'll move it here. We need the social links and actually the social link type.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, sorry.
And the constants as well.
And these things, right? And the link as well.
Yeah, let's get everything.
Beautiful. What is this link?
As link.
There's the link. Hero is happy. And we just want to import the hero from the components and clean up the unused imports. There we go. So let's also make the courses section, right?
Which will contain our courses, of
Yeah.
course.
And this is the VStack, right? And this one would accept the props, so maybe you should do it.
Okay. So we're getting the props from here. So if we just get this. Oh wait, I'm not really that good with Vim. So we take this whole thing. We're gonna return it. Okay, let's import everything from Chakra. Oh, okay. Let's just do it like this. Import. Okay, then we're gonna import the heading.
Heading lists,
Yeah,
list item, and you got the course cards from the local
which
imports.
is- yeah, I'm just gonna import it with TypeScript. For some reason it.
No, it doesn't. You need to hit the control space.
Oh,
There you go.
okay, so it doesn't know what courses is because we haven't defined it, but if we do courses here and we need to get the props from here. So we accept the props here, which
Will be pretty much the same, I
yeah,
guess.
Yeah. So just import the course. What is it called? Course section.
Yeah.
Okay, there. This is gonna be self-closing and just pass in the courses, which is courses.
But you have an extra S.
Oh.
There, yeah. Nice.
So what is courses? I'm just gonna copy this because it's pretty much the same.
Second one.
Wait, for some reason it's not saving.
The first one is the selected one. The second one is not saved, but you need to go there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the theme might be a little.
Yeah, okay. I got confused. So this is gonna be the type props, which is actually let's just copy this, and we're just gonna set it here, and we need to obviously import it.
Nice.
Okay, so that should be it. Let's see how it looks.
Pretty much the same.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
Hey, check out the dark modes.
Oh yeah.
If the background, yeah, the background is okay,
Yeah,
right?
I like it. Look.
We don't need to make it darker.
Yeah. No, it just fits in because this is darker and this is lighter. So yeah. So
Nice.
look at the Figma.
Right, so we got the courses section.
So what do you want to do with the blog post? Because I know it's like a controversial thing to talk about.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really write, but I like the idea of having a blog, right?
Yeah.
Just like everyone here. I'm not sure. I mean, if I'm blogging, which I'll try to. Is the preview here wrong? Guys, what color do you look? What color is this part? Is it like pink or gray?
Oh yeah, it is. Oh,
It's weird. Yeah, let me know. Is this like pinkish or grayish? Because it does look kind of weird
Yeah,
on my end.
yeah. Maybe there's some issues with the
Maybe
monitor.
the preview or the monitor.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me know in the chat in case I need to fix it. Because if we are looking at wrong colors, then this is not my website.
Yeah. It's not pink.
Yeah, so yeah, continue.
Uh,
Yeah, blog posts. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm definitely going to use MDX to render them.
So should we skip this or?
We should skip it. Yeah, we
Okay.
should skip it. Let's go to the recent videos.
Okay.
But we'll do exactly like the
the
courses. Yeah.
Okay.
So another JSON and all of that jazz.
Okay, let's hit in. So I just want to start with the thing you did, which was the title. So let's basically create a new component, which is gonna be called. I'm just gonna call it video section. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Videos section, which is gonna have an index. Const video section. And just export it. Okay. We're gonna return. So I'm gonna reuse a lot of the things here. I'm gonna copy this for now and just modify it. So let's hit it back to the component and start importing things. So we're gonna import the heading from Chakra. Then the next thing is the list item
VStack.
and VStack. Okay, so for the course and everything else, we're not gonna worry about this right now. I'm just gonna comment it for now. So now if we go back to the courses, we just pass in the thing. So okay, let's just backtrack a little bit. First thing we need to do is create a type. So new type, which is gonna be video.ts.
Just export const.
Yeah, export const, which is video. So
Export. Sorry, export type video.
oh yeah.
Not const. Sorry. Yeah. So what should we have? We should have like we'll definitely have a URL, right?
Yeah, let me open Figma. So we'll have URL.
We'll have the title, the description,
And
we should see how we can either fetch the actual thumbnail or
just use a
or
video.
just like pass it as a pass it as a thumbnail URL. Let's make it a thumbnail URL just for now.
Okay.
And we'll see.
So oh wait, I think I did something wrong. Let me just get no, okay. So it's a thumbnail URL, which is a string.
Is that Adobe XD? No, it's Figma.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Figma. Figma is sick. Then we have
The title, description, URL. And the actual URL.
yeah, just string. So it's all strings.
All strings. Beautiful.
So now in here, so are we gonna fetch them from here as well? Yeah.
Exactly,
Okay.
yeah, because we gotta be here.
Yep.
But about this, we should make a generic function
That
that we can use to fetch our
yeah.
data.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So think about, we should give the path, right?
Yeah, which is the JSON path and the
And we should also give the type that we want to parse it as.
okay. So
So
basically,
do that.
yeah, do that.
It will be the first 3 lines,
Yeah.
So we need to get them out in a new function. Maybe create a utils in source.
That's what I was thinking. So if we go into the source folder, just create a utils.
Yeah, and do the read data. Maybe like read data.
Let's just do it like this.
Yes,
Yeah.
DS. Awesome.
Okay, so export. Actually, let's let it be a const.
There you go,
which is
guys.
Read data.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe I didn't even need that. Pasted there. Okay.
Right. So it needs the path. It
Yeah.
needs to be asynchronous.
Oh yeah.
No, not like path. Path the object. I mean the package.
Oh yeah. Yeah, exactly. You're right. So if you go here, just take it from here.
And the
And
promises as FS because we're not going to need it
Actually.
here as well.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. We do need the path, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But not like that.
Path.
Like maybe like file path.
File. Yeah.
It's going to be a string.
Yep. Should I just? Actually, no. Let's do it like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we can safely
Just.
do the data courses JSON.
Yeah. So
That would be the path, and we want to be a generic function, so that the parsing will be
Yeah. So
we'll define the parsing from outside, right?
So
do that.
this parsing part we
Yeah.
need to define it from outside. So
And instead of the anonymous like inline object,
we'll do just
the whole
array
thing.
of.
no, the whole thing as t.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the whole thing as t, and that t is going to be defined from the outside, right?
Okay.
And you will not just st,
Okay.
and then you want to return the JSON parse st, right? So no const courses, just return JSON parse st.
Okay. Oh.
Ooh, start yelling.
Okay.
Return JSON parse st. Beautiful. So now we want to
Just
make the read data a generic function, right? Because t is not defined here.
Yeah. So
So how do we do that?
should we just pass in the?
No, we want the function to be generic, not pass the type as a prop. The function itself should be generic,
So
not there.
Oh.
It has to do something with the declaration of the function, not the function's body.
Oh yeah, I get what you mean, but how do we actually do that in TypeScript?
Yeah, after the async, right? So because we have an arrow function that we define with the const,
Yeah.
we do want to add the brackets here,
Yeah.
and then do t,
With
and there's the t.
yeah.
So then you can replace the data courses,
Okay. So yeah.
and this should do it.
With a file
path. Yes, exactly. And instead of course content,
Yeah,
we'll do
just do-
file content,
Yep.
right? So we'll strip it for any contexts, and then just return the file content.
That should be it. Yeah.
That should be it. Yeah. So let's use it for the courses.
So just scrap all this.
Mm,
Actually, we need to place it somewhere in a constant.
yeah. So that was good. Instead of JSON parse, we'll just use our new that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just do read data.
Not at the whole end, because
Okay.
we want the
Oh,
type.
so yeah.
Yeah. So
I
do await
read,
read. Yeah. Read data. That one. Get rid of the parentheses.
of the like
Just pass the first argument is the thing that you just deleted, the course, right? So get back,
Oh,
get,
yeah.
get it as an object. Oh,
Wait.
sorry, the courses, the data / courses.
wait. But shouldn't we pass in the file path first?
The file path, yeah, I'm talking about the
Yeah,
data
okay.
/
Data /
courses.json. And before we actually, you know, pass the...
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yeah, we need to make
But
sure the type is correct.
Oh.
Exactly. So object inside.
Which is gonna be...
And that part right there. Courses.
Of course.
With the lowercase c. There we go.
And just remove this part.
Exactly. So this should work exactly the same.
Okay.
Let's go and test it out.
Let's reload just to make sure. Yep.
Nice.
Okay.
All right. So we can do pretty much the same, but for the actual videos, right? Just copy paste it up.
Yeah, actually. Let's do it.
There we go. Videos.
And just passing it from the props and get the...
Exactly. Video. There we go.
Ooh.
Ooh, nice. Cyrillic. Videos. And then
this.
also do the... Yeah. Also do the... Instead of courses JSON, we're going to need a new data file there. Videos.
For now, let it be like this. What is
Yeah.
the problem here?
Because it's not defined in the props.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, if
But
you
make sure
go-
you create the videos file first.
Yeah, that's it. So in the...
At the top.
Yeah.
The data.
Videos.json.
Do
So
the
we just open this.
videos and then an array.
Okay, so now...
We got the thumbnail, the title, the description, and
Yeah,
the
yeah,
URL.
yeah.
But do parentheses because it's
Oh, yeah.
JSON. Yeah.
Okay, it's JSON.
And do the parentheses for the
Wait,
videos
let
as
me-
well.
We had a title as well.
Yeah.
Let me do the title.
Title, description,
Yeah.
thumbnail, URL. I think use thumbnail URL.
Yeah, yep. Oh. I'm going all over the place.
It's not Vim, by the way. It's
Oh, it's normal?
yeah, it's normal. It's just the block.
Oh,
I like
okay.
the block. Yeah, and the
And
URL. I think.
The URL, yep, exactly. Oh,
All right, so parentheses, not parentheses, quotes everywhere, and the videos as well at the top. You can just select, just go back. Select the videos, like the whole word selected.
so the way I had set up on my Vim, I just press V, and it's just I go to the end of the word. That's how I'm actually used.
Yeah,
So how, just with the mouse?
you can do Alt, Option, and then Option, Shift, and left or right.
Oh, Option Shift.
There
Oh,
you go.
okay.
So now
Just-
hit Shift and
Yeah.
do the exactly.
So what about the video? Should we go to?
Yeah, let's go fetch something.
Yeah, let's go. So just like you want to store it here from your YouTube channel?
Yeah. They're not on my channel. They're on Chakra's channel. Yeah.
Oh, actually, yeah.
Just yeah.
Okay. So we have this.
The
Sheet.
getting started.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's just use this for a placeholder now.
Makes sense.
Okay. We have the title. Actually, let me
Getting
just-
started with Chakra UI. Yeah.
Okay, the description should be this.
Avoid the updated command one. Just do
Yeah.
what else? Just have the, well, I don't actually have a description here, so maybe we should write one.
Okay, let's just leave it as empty then.
Yeah.
And the thumbnail URL. So
We'll think about it. I'm not sure how we can. I think there was like an API that Google lets you use to obtain
Yeah.
the thumbnail URL for every based on the URL itself.
yeah, okay.
I'm not sure about it, but just
So should we just keep one video for now for testing, or just wanna add
yeah,
all-
we can do duplicate this like
Okay.
3 times.
Yeah, it's just we can test it. Let me add just commas. Okay, that's it. So now we can go to the actually.
You missed the props in the index page.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So if we go into the index, we need to add the videos, which is video. Okay, I didn't import that though.
Yeah, you already have that.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
So now it doesn't
chill.
complain.
Yeah, exactly. So you just need to pass it to the video section. Do we have? Yeah, we do have a video section.
Which is videos, and I didn't define the videos up top. Yeah, so it doesn't know, and it's not expecting videos in the component. Oh, okay. Oh,
Nice. So video ID HQ default. Beautiful.
Okay.
So we don't actually need to have the thumbnail URL. We can construct it.
Yep.
Immediate. Beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let me just finish this up, then we're gonna add the thumbnails as well.
I'm gonna get a drink.
Okay. Basically, we're adding the videos in the video section. This is the props, and we're also gonna define the props here. So we're just gonna do type props, which let me just copy them. Just remove the unused ones, and let's import the video. Okay. I actually like to separate the imports, so I'm just gonna do this. So I know which ones are local and which ones are not. Just like here. Okay. So now we're just gonna map out the videos. And that should be it. Now we're gonna go to... actually, now that I'm thinking about it, the actual overlay is not... the layout is not the same. So let's go to the Figma. So there's two videos on the bigger screen.
And one for the mobile, I guess. Yeah.
So actually we cannot actually reuse all of this.
No, that was good. You just need the course cards and create a video card instead.
Yeah, okay. Video card, and just go to components. Okay. Oh, just index the TSA. So now we have const video card. And here we're just gonna have one course. Video. Export. Okay. Which is gonna be a video, which is
wrong parentheses.
Oh yeah. I always mix these things up, like the justify as well, the align and justify content. Okay. It's just one. So now.
Or make the props a video. So instead of passing the video, just spread.
Yeah, like you did.
Yeah. Before. Just props equals video, and then we can, if we want some additional stuff, we can pass it. Yeah.
Let's get the title, description, the thumbnail URL, and actual URL. Okay.
Just make sure you set the type of that to props, because you're destructuring. Yeah. Okay, so now let's return. So let's let me just get reminded. So this is an image.
Yeah, this is an image. This is a heading. If we go in,
just hit command, like hold command and try to click. There you go.
Okay, so this is a large heading.
Small.
Actually, yeah, small, and this is just the text components. Okay. I'm gonna have a vertical stack for this.
Good.
Okay, I actually did the right import, but yeah. Okay.
Spacing.
Yeah.
What do we do about the spacing?
So, actually, from here we have
16 and then
8.
half 8. So, V stack in a V stack.
Yeah. 16
divided by 4.
4 is 4.
Beautiful.
And let's put it the image.
But we do have an image, like our own image, right? Image component.
Oh, we do?
We did that one with the Chakra and Next image.
Oh, yeah.
Check it out.
Yeah,
It's in that one. So what does it want? It wants... It's actually the magic image, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. We can definitely use this one because this one is actually the Next.js image, so it does a bit of optimization for us. We might not use the placeholder, because if we set the placeholder, we want to set either the data URL,
Yeah.
like that placeholder, like the base 64 basically,
Yeah.
or do a static import, but we have neither of those, right? We only have a URL, so we're not going to be able to use it, right? But we should use it just in case, right? This image component basically.
Okay, so let's just import this image component and just
Yeah.
reuse it. Okay.
But before we do that, do we want to keep track of the actual aspect ratio?
Yeah. I mean, wait.
Right, so this is
like
16
a 16 by 9.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we should.
Yeah.
So let's just, I mean, wrap the image in the aspect ratio and
Exactly.
Okay. So I'm gonna create the aspect ratio first, obviously.
There you go. It's
Oh,
from the layout, but yeah, just do
just
append it there. Yeah. That's the aspect ratio.
okay, and then we import the image, which is
Our own image.
Oh.
There we go. Yeah. That one. Oh, sorry.
oh, it didn't
It
import.
didn't import. Yeah. Maybe you should try the third one. That one.
Okay.
There we go.
It's self-closing. We don't need that. And the source.
We'll check out the
Yeah.
image because we need to get the video URL now.
Yeah. So
Just copy that one.
yeah. Oh. Let's go to Brave. And now we just
Yeah, I need to get the. We can use the URL params now, right? You know how to use them?
what do you mean by that?
Yeah, let me show you. And this is like a cool trick. For example, we need this thing right here, right?
Yeah.
So what we can do is create a new. Let's get rid of this, right? So params equals new, like URL.
Oh, okay.
URL search parameters, and then we'll pass the string, right? So we'll do params.get, and we will do v. And there we go. All right. So what was it? Let me see. URL search params. Parameters.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, sorry. Window.location. I saw window.location or the params string. Params object. There we go. So we have the whole.
Yeah, yeah.
If it has query, and then we can do the get query.
So
Well,
maybe
we actually tried to do that, but
it's also
oh yeah, there we go. It
null,
returns a null, yeah. So how do we do that?
True. Base 64.
This is weird.
Yeah.
Why did I thought that we could actually do this?
Maybe not.
Window location search. Yeah, let's. Yeah, that was actually the thing. Yeah, so
Yeah, maybe we can just use.
let's try it again. New URL search parameters. Window.location.search. params.get, and now we can try to get the V. There we go.
There we go.
So we need to use the window, but what does that mean?
I mean, firstly, we need a. Maybe I would place that in a utils first thing, but the
but
second
we're
thing
using
is
the window in a React component,
Yeah.
right? So we want to do use
oh
effect.
yeah, use effect, because Next.js is gonna complain about this.
Exactly. So we want to keep the video ID outside, right?
Yeah.
So we'll do use state. It'll be a string.
Okay.
By type. Oh, sorry. Use state as well. And then we can do use effect. We'll invoke this once, and then we'll do parameters equals new URL search params
Just
window location search, right?
but
And then we'll have the params, so we can do set video ID, and we will do params.get v.
Okay.
So that will be the video ID, right?
And now just passing.
And now we have the there we go. Now we have the source here.
Just do backticks, then
Exactly.
pass
So
it.
we can do this instead. And that's how we get the. Maybe it has like a parameters, like what's the width and height. Maybe we can just append some width and height stuff to it.
Yeah. Import that.
Okay. Let's see. We should be able to see something, right? Or we don't have the invalid source prop undefined. Yeah, because initially
We
don't have it, right?
that.
So if we don't have a video ID, if we don't have a video ID, maybe we should like return, I don't know, return a spinner.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Let's just like make a loading state.
Yeah, maybe it makes sense to make a hook use URL params. It looks like something that can be used. Or maybe React use already has it because we already have it.
Yeah.
Let's see, params. Use search params.
That's
That's exactly
yeah.
what we're after.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right, and there we have the edit. Nice.
Yeah.
There you go. Thanks, man. So yeah, I mean it's cool to make it your own, right, by yourself. But if someone already made it, just use it. B. Oh, wait a minute.
Maybe we can't.
We don't actually need to because we're not on that URL, right? We have this URL right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, in that case,
Maybe we can go with.
we should probably
Undo.
get this back. And instead of window location search, this thing actually wants the question mark part, right? It has food, true. So we can just split it. Yeah, it doesn't take full. So we can just use this thing right here. Right, so split everything after the question mark. Yeah, so let's do that. So search params, like probably like this, or like queries.
Yeah, queries.
Will be
Query,
yeah, URL.split based on the question mark, and then we'll get the second one, and we will set the params to this, and then we'll get this, right? Beautiful. Let's see it now. Video card, nothing was returned. Oh yeah, return. Let's do a spinner.
Yeah.
It's like the easiest. Chakra UI spinner. Invalid source prop.
So it is the same.
So what actually happened there? So img youtube.com vi, then video HQ default.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Let me see. It is that one. Hostname img youtube is not configured under
Oh, yeah.
images. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so let's just do this, right? Images domain.
yeah, just whitelist the domain.
Next config.
Oh, we don't have that.
We actually don't have that, yeah. Config JS. We'll do, yeah, with the module exports. We don't have any plugins for now, but yeah. And the domain was
It is.
img youtube.com.
Yeah. And
Let's
I
see.
think maybe you don't need to restart the server.
We do actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Do we have like console logs? No, these were the breaks from the video. Alright guys, let's check it out. See some images. YouTube, thumbnail, URL, width parameters. Let's see if they support. Oh, nice, nice.
That's really useful.
Nice. All right, so max res default.
It says one error. I don't know if that's from previously or.
We'll see. We'll open a new tab instead. All right,
Nope, nothing.
but it still points to localhost 3000.
Yeah, I'm.
Localhost 3000. So this is weird. Like maybe it's not the
Wait.
source. Maybe it's like the href, or maybe. Wait a minute.
Wait.
Oh, wait a minute. Use width and height properties. Okay.
Sometimes reading helps, yeah.
Yeah. No. The actual. Yeah. We are missing the width and height, or
Yeah.
we should do a layout fill instead, because we have the aspect ratio
Yep.
on top.
Shouldn't fail this time. Okay.
But did we add?
Yeah, we did.
Let's see. Some issues here. Two children with the same key. Let's go back to the videos section. Videos.
'Cause,
and this is
oh
the-
yeah. we
It
need
doesn't
to-
really matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, but
Video.
and.
But there should be one video, right? No. Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's why it's.
Yeah. Let's. The URL is the key, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. But it shouldn't. I think it shouldn't break anyways, right?
Yeah.
It shouldn't break anyways. Goddamn, let's just add more videos.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright, so there's one video, copy link address, second one, and then there's the third one. Not image address, but the link address.
That
Yeah,
should be
so design. I don't know. We'll just keep these like the same. Alright, so let's check it out.
nothing. Okay.
Expected server HTML to contain a matching A, like an anchor. It's in the VStack article. Hey dude,
Yo.
how's it going? By the way, Karwak is a core member of the Vue.js Chakra UI.
Oh, nice.
Validate DOM nesting. Alright, so A cannot appear as a descendant of A, but we can't actually see it anywhere. But let's try to get here. Get here.
Nice one. But Huh.
Where is that? Or there's the next image. Okay. The list. Let's go back. All right, so we'll do with full to the list. And we'll go little by little. There's the list. Now there's a list item. But we don't actually need a list, dude. We actually need a simple grid.
Yep, because then we're gonna have
Exactly. So
two
simple
elements
grid.
and just one on mobile.
And also not simple grid item, right?
Yeah.
Grid item. The columns will be
1 and 2.
1 and 2 for the base and MD. And this should probably be it. Let's see. We
So,
did see some
yeah, we
spinners, if you can notice.
we do have a loading state, but no videos.
Let's see. Let's get into it. So the width is here, but the height is missing, right? Let's try to add. Let's try to add the rest of the stuff, right? So here's the title. We'll place that in a different VStack because it has a different spacing between them, right? So if this was 4, we need to set this as 8. No, as 6. No, it's actually 2.
No, yeah.
So we'll do the heading here. Title, right? Import the heading.
It did not import, yeah.
And also the text while we're here. This will be the title. This will be the description. Title is small. Sorry, not font size, but actually just size. And then we'll do font size here. Small again.
And
it should be gray 500.
Yep. Are we gonna change it for the dark mode or?
Probably not, but we'll see.
Okay.
Alright, so here's what we have. Okay, so I think it's the aspect ratio problem, right?
Maybe we need to set a value for the aspect ratio.
we actually do, guys. So 16 by 9.
Yeah.
And we want to do width is full because we wrap.
Oh,
there
there
we
we go.
Beautiful. Okay, so
We need to.
description. Oh, we didn't actually provide any description.
Yeah.
We're going to ditch the thumbnail URL, right? Because we're going to infer it from the actual URL itself. Beautiful. Why is it complaining? Doesn't exist.
You deleted the description.
Oh damn. There we go. Thumbnail URL. Okay. Okay. Assuming that I only do videos on YouTube. Okay.
Yeah.
And then there's no. You should use Ponycode to auto-generate all unit tests for the code now. Hey, I haven't used that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be cool to do, yeah?
Yeah, I actually read about that today or something. It's like AI based as well.
Nice.
So I think we also need to add rounded colors. I mean corners to
Yeah.
do this.
What do we have? Let's just grab this thing right here. This
Yeah,
is the
so we have
i30p. i30p, there we go. Copy paste, and we actually need to convert this to a link box, right?
yeah. Since
And then there's the other one. Chat application. That one was a cool thing.
yeah, especially the intro.
Alright, description. Max res default may not exist for every video. It depends whether the video is in HD or not. Yeah. Okay. I do mean all of these videos that I recorded are
HD, yeah.
4K
Oh,
on 60 FPS. So yeah, I guess we should be good.
yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, thanks for the heads up. Maybe we can do. maybe we can do like a fallback. Do we have like a fallback? Yeah, fallback source.
Yeah. So
If loading of the max default fails, we should try to do the other one. What was the other one? It was HQ default.
Yeah.
HQ default. Assuming that exists as well. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, so let's get rid of this link overlay again, right? The whole thing. But let's just see the. We have 8, but 8.
Yeah.
We should probably have a 6, right?
So just MD again, if I'm not wrong.
Border radius 375, right?
Yes.
16 times 0.375, 6.
Yeah.
What was the other one? It's 5, but that's actually 8, so that would work as well, you know?
Yeah.
Let's get it back at 8. And we'll do large instead.
Yep.
So the whole, no, actually the image.
The
itself,
image.
so yeah, rounded equals large.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Need to reload so we can have the description as well. And beautiful.
That's it, yeah.
Just alignment. Fix the alignment.
Yeah.
So this is the VStack. We'll do align items equals flex start in any case.
Nice.
What is this now? Oh, it's actually
Yeah, it's
this thing right here.
yes. Just do the same. And we can check it out on mobile as well.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mobile. Nice, 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 beautiful. All right, so let's convert this to a link box. Link box it. Everything's. Come on, okay. Wanna do the hard way? Link overlay. Right, so let's set the image, the aspect ratio, or the title. Link overlay.
Just pass it to the title,
So
yeah.
href
XML.
equals URL, right? Exactly.
Yeah.
Also, we want to do target
Yeah, the target blank.
equals blank. This thing might. I mean, I think we needed to also do. Let's see.
I think that's fixed now.
There's still this.
Oh yeah.
Right, so we'll see it. Expected server HTML to contain a matching. Maybe this is the link box. Yeah, but if I click on this thing right now, we can see the video.
Right.
That's cool. Let's just fix this, and I think we'll be done for today, guys. Chakra provider layout, div VStack, index page VStack, courses section VStack. ULLI course cards, article VStack, external link, and then it's in the external link, right? So course cards, external link, and then there's a text.
That's the issue.
What if we get rid of that? Hit reload. Still, but let's see if we're talking about external link. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
It's the icon.
Yep.
All right, so that's an easy fix then. So we should get rid of the icon here. So maybe we'll wrap this in an H stack, because we'll always do H stacks. And then we'll place the icon here. Get the H stack. Spacing is not defined right now, but let's just see if it works. Nope. Matching P in a matching div in a P. So external link and then H stack.
I don't get it. So
I don't get it either. So So let's debug it. So we want to do, there's the external link. So A and a P. Maybe that's the issue.
The text, yeah.
No, it's actually the
Div in a P.
div cannot appear as a descendant of P, it says. And there's the div.
Yep.
There's an A and there's a P.
But
I'm not sure if that's the... What if we get rid of the whole external link here? Maybe we're looking at the wrong instance here.
Yep.
It's not actually that. So we're looking at... Yeah, it's actually all of the external links, right?
Yeah.
So we have a link and we have the children inside, but the children have a text inside. What if we try again? Because now we extracted the icon out of the link itself.
But I think it's still gonna show up because we have an external link above in the hero, I think.
Oh, maybe the link of... Okay, there we go. So component with S. So it's actually a link, right? Okay, so that makes sense. Yeah, so we can get this back, but I think we should do this instead. Right?
Let's...
Or render the link overlay as an external link. Right?
Let's try that, yeah. Yeah, at all though, so...
God damn it.
Still this error.
Div in a P, div in a P. What if we get like the whole thing off? Maybe like we're pointing at the wrong thing here. Just to make sure that we're targeting. See, yeah,
no.
it happens again, so...
But wait, aren't we... Do we have this in the video card as well? I mean in the videos?
Let's
but
see.
It's not...
Index page vstack hero because of these things right here.
This is so weird. It didn't show before. Like
So
in the hero.
here. Alright, so there's like a P. It makes total sense, dude. So there's a P,
Yeah.
right? And then the external link has an H stack.
Yeah, I got it.
What if we convert this to span? Because we just wanted to... Something like this, right? And even the text actually fixed itself.
Actually works.
It
That
actually
was
works,
the issue. Yeah.
Alright, cool. So let's go back here. Enable this. This should probably work. We were talking about the course domain. So anywhere I click. Nice, alright. By the way, Karwak, are you here? Check out the illustration, man.
It looks so nice.
Dude. God damn. Amazing. Maybe we can like use this somewhere, like place it here, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Super duper cool.
Yeah, the only thing that's missing is the title in the video section. If you go up a little bit, it's courses.
Oh yeah.
Let's change that. And I think it's made by Egghead, by the way.
No, yeah, it's made by the Egghead team. Yeah, it's their custom illustration stuff. Love it. It's amazing. Ooh yeah. Nice. Yeah. Alright guys, alright, so responsiveness, check. Me sounding stupid, check. We got the links fixed, check. We got the recent videos, not really. These are actually the courses.
Yeah, we changed the wrong thing.
These are the recent videos.
Yep.
So yeah, courses. Chakra UI course. recent videos. Beautiful. And then there's the footer.
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing.
I think we finished the whole
homepage.
page. Yeah.
The homepage is done. Let's probably place this here. There we go. Much better. Hey, we didn't actually add this to the, so let's add that real quick. And we should be no, wait a minute. The gap is not defined here. So 32 on vertical and 48 on horizontal. Okay. Simple grids, right? Let's go over here. It is fire, guys. Column gap. That was 48. Yeah, so that's like 12. And then row gap. That's
this
32.
Is the 32.
Yeah, this is the 8 in this case. Let's check it out. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
More breathing room.
Yeah.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Click here.
Oh, yeah.
This is okay, right? They are like pretty small in my case.
Yeah, maybe.
But if we like look at from a from a laptop or something, because I'm running with a 5K here, and everything is pretty small on this screen, anyways.
Basically, this would what it will look like on a laptop, which looks nice.
Yeah, we can just bump it up in anyways. I'll check it out on a laptop and I'll see, guys. All right, so let's push this. So we got courses plus videos, right? Beautiful.
Yeah, there is a link for a GitHub.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lazar, you can send it in the chat or something.
See, github.com/ Lazar Nikolov / personal website. There you go, guys. Everything's open source. There is also the link here.
Yeah.
This is from the last stream, but now we can actually see. We need to wait for the Vercel build to finish.
But yeah, in a bit it's gonna build and
yeah, so everything's automatic here. Let's see, deployments, courses plus videos. Yeah, it's ready, so we can just refresh.
There we go.
There we go, guys. That is amazing. This is amazing, guys.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice, nice. Ooh, okay. This was a cool session, I think.
Yeah, we were pretty productive, I think.
Definitely. I mean, we got the one page like done.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can delete it now.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So we got a lot more pages coming on. For example, we have the uses page, and these are like the software tools that I use. This is going to be easy peasy, I think.
Yeah, it's just a JSON at the end of the day.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be like an ordinary JSON, right?
It's
going to be like a JSON
with
it's going to be an ordinary JSON with categories, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But we will parse the categories in here and like obtain them from all of the items, and then create the groups, because the JSON will be a flat array, like just a flat list of all of the tools, but each of them will have a category, right? And then we can same here.
Yeah,
same thing.
Exactly.
They just look different, a bit different. So the image here is, what is it, like 120 by 120, and the image here is 72 by 72. Everything else is the same, right? We got the small heading here. We got the small heading here. Exactly the same. So these two pages are like very similar to each other. The data is the same. Everything is just with bigger images, because I thought, we display icons here, but we display actual like
gear equipment
here. So we should, provide a bigger. Yeah, we should definitely provide bigger images.
Yep.
And that's pretty much it. Then we have the blog with a search.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun to set up.
Yeah, and this page. So this This is going to be super cool. So this is where we'll do the MDX implementation, right? So all of the blog posts will be just markdown files that I will push along with the repo. And we also have a little line. Can you guys see this line? This will tell you, I mean, this will like tell you where you are, like the progress of the actual reading, right? So we can do this with framer motion. There's like a use scroll value, I think.
Yeah, that's
we can get the scroll value of the page, and then we can I think it's like from 0 to 1, so we can like convert it to percentages and set the height of this little bar, of the black bar in. Hey dude, how's it going?
Yo.
And we can set the height of the bar based on the percentage of the of the scroll.
Yep.
Then we have like a pure static page, the colophon. So basically this like explains what I use, where are the links and analytics and cookies, right? And milk and whatnot. Then we have the bookmarks, which is exactly the same like the uses and gear.
Yep.
But it has a little
tag
here. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. Then we have the talks page. And these, maybe I don't know if we can if we should embed these. I guess we should. I don't know. We can embed these.
Yeah, I think we should.
Yeah, we can embed these. Then we have the books wish list, and this is the last screen. By the way, I just got this today, and I can't wait to sit down and read it. It's like super cool book.
Yeah.
And this page also has wish lists, right? A suggestion thingy. So when we press on the suggest me a book, this little thing just like appears out of nowhere. Yeah, it pushes everything down. So then we can write the title, author, and why would I use this? Like the reason why would I like this book? Yeah. And we can implement. Yeah, we should definitely implement Airtable for this.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, dude.
I can't wait.
And that's pretty much it. This is my website. So we are here. So we'll do this. These two will be relatively simple.
Yep.
These two will be so.
Yeah.
That simple. Exactly like this. Exactly like some of this.
The books.
And this would be. Yeah. This will have an API.
Yeah. Right. It's gonna be a little bit unique.
Basically this is where the API live, and a little bit in the blog posts, right? Because we're going to track the reads.
Yeah.
And we'll keep them in the database. But that's it pretty much. Guys, yeah. I think we were we had like a super productive session.
Yeah.
We got the homepage done. When is the next time that we're going to stream? Like, what are you feeling? Saturday or Sunday?
I think Saturday is good for me.
Yeah, that works for me too.
Yeah.
So if anything happens, we'll let you guys know. If not, we'll see you on Saturday.
All right.
Thank you for hanging out with us guys, and see you.
See you guys later. Bye bye.
Peace out.